When life gives you lemons, or snow as it were, in this case, you make a snowman. And I'm gonna make a cold smoker out of a snowman, smoke my steaks, and then grill them up. Now, how to turn them into a smoker. Aha. There's my firebox. And I got some arms from my snowman. I think I'll put the steaks right inside here underneath the head. Just like hollowing out a pumpkin, but less messy. All right, so it's not really sealed up, but I want to get a cold smoke, so I think this is actually going to work out better if I do it this way, and I gotta have cold smoke, otherwise my snowman will melt. Oh, look at that, it's working! It's working! I don't feel any warmth. This is gonna work awesome. I'm gonna get the steaks and put them on, and then put the snowman's head on top of that. I love it when a plan comes together. Got my steaks. And it's starting to smoke and snow. Yee! There we go. Now we're ready to cook. Oh, perfect fit. Look at that. It's been about 30 minutes. The fire started to go down a little bit, and must be a little bit of warmth coming through because some gaps started to open up bigger than they were. 15 more minutes, I'll take the first one out, and then another half an hour, I'll take the second one out. Oh, this is gonna be good. Doesn't look like it's all that special or anything. It's not like super dark, but I mean, this is cold smoking, so I'm trying to just add some flavor. This isn't cooking it. Definitely smells smoky. It'll be interesting to see if there's a difference between the two of them. Oh, this smells so good. And hopefully they're cooked. And did I do a good job of cooking it, or did I overdo it? We'll find out here in a second. It looks like it's just right, except for it's not super bloody. It's all very lightly colored. The other one here is thicker. So maybe I nailed a rare cook on that. Oh yeah. That one's a little thicker and I nailed that. It's very interesting that this one, which is just a teeniest bit thicker, it is so much rarer, and this one is so medium, barely any pink at all, where this one turned out fairly rare. And this was the one that smoked for only 45 minutes as opposed to this one being super rare for smoking for an hour and a half. 45 minutes smoking. Very good. Very smoky, but not overpoweringly smoky. Just has like very juicy, like I did a very good job grilling it, but it has a lot more flavor than just being grilled. Now this one didn't have a lot of fat on the edges, so I'll try a piece that's just the same, not so much fat on it. This one does taste a teeny bit smokier, but not enough that if you're trying to cook for your family, I would say 45 minutes and you have all the smoke flavor that you need. The edges of the steak are just mind-blowing. That was a huge bite once again. The edges of the steak where the gristle and the fat is, oh, so much flavor there. So much flavor. It's like, you know, when you get a cake, you want an edge piece. That's the frosting goes around it and you have all the frosting around on both sides. That's what this is like with the steak. That smoke flavor is like twice as much, and it is good. One more piece of each, then I'll have had a whole steak. The outside of the rare one is a little on the tougher side. Almost like smoking it longer locked in more of the juices. So when I did cook it, it came out rare, whereas this one, does that make sense? Is that possible? Gosh, they're both so good, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Fowler out.